What's up YouTube? How are you doing today? I'm Chana D, your Techno Dad, and in this video I'll be checking out the new SVS Prime wireless speaker system. We're going to get into it right after the jump. And I'm back. Now if you're new to the channel, my name is Chana and I love my sound. I've been a musician for 30 years and I record and mix music and I'm a working DJ. So as you can imagine, audio is really important to me. And if you want to learn about home theater and audio equipment and how to set it up, you've come to the right place and you should consider subscribing and don't forget to hit that bell. Alright ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to check out the brand new SVS Prime wireless speaker system. First things first, I do want to thank SVS for sending these over for review, so thanks guys, I really appreciate it. Now these speakers cost $5.99 for the pair and are rated at 200 watts RMS. Alright, enough talking, let's go see what's in the box. Alright, so once I get the box open, I come across the instruction manual and other literature. We get a power cable and the cable that connects both speakers together. And we also get some rubber feet. Next, in true SVS style, the speakers are wrapped in cloth and plastic. When we get these two out, they look super clean in gloss black. I am not a huge gloss black speaker fan, but these things look really good. On the front we have a 1-inch tweeter and 4.5-inch mid-range driver on both speakers. Frequency response is 52 Hz, 25 kHz, and the crossover between the mid-range driver and the tweeter are set at 2000 Hz. What's cool is when you connect a sub to the subwoofer output, an active low-pass filter is engaged at 80 Hz. So you would set your sub to 90 and all the low end would go to the sub. That's a really cool feature. Good job there, SVS. On the bottom of the right speaker, we have controls and an LED screen. On the left, we have a knob for source preset, and on the right, we have a knob for play, pause, and volume. The LED screen shows the current source and preset if selected. When we flip these guys around, we see a port and the I/O for each speaker. On the speaker designated as left, we have one port, and that's for the proprietary cable connecting the two speakers together. On the back of the right speaker, we have a lot of I/O. Starting on the top row, we have a subwoofer output, auxiliary RCA input, left speaker output, optical input, auxiliary in 3.5mm jack, and Wi-Fi setup button. In the middle we have two network ports, one input and the other output, a mono stereo switch, USB port for service, and a Bluetooth setup button. And at the very bottom we have the power port. One thing I would highly recommend is to attach the rubber feet to the bottom of the speakers to keep the bottom scratch free. Alright, now let's fire these puppies up. First we need to connect the speakers together and then plug in the power. Next we need to change the input to Bluetooth and look for the speakers on the Bluetooth list and connect. That's it, we're in business. And if you prefer to connect via Wi-Fi, you can also download the DTS Play-Fi app. Through this, we can play music from a lot of different sources, including Spotify, Pandora, SiriusXM, Amazon Music, iHeartRadio, and Tidal. Personally, I tried out Tidal, Spotify, and Pandora. I set these up on top of the SVS Ultra bookshelf speakers. I did this because I like to play Call of Duty, but listen to music at the same time, usually via Pandora. Having wireless speakers is great as I can sit in my main listening position and change the song if needed while still playing my game and not having to get up. Now I've had these for about a month and I'm very surprised with the performance of these little speakers. When adding a subwoofer to the mix, they start to sound really good and take on a whole new level. Now, true story, one Saturday night, the police were called at 11:30. We were playing music on the Prime SVS wireless speakers with the SB4000, but it wasn't like super loud, so I could barely hear the police ringing the doorbell. So they get pretty loud. Now I'm sure you're probably asking, who is this for? Well, I would recommend these speakers in a small to medium-sized room or office. They will definitely have enough power to provide room-filling sound. Now these would be a great upgrade for your desktop or laptop computer. If you have a medium to large size room, I would recommend using these speakers with a small 8 or 10-inch sub to round out the sound. Overall, this is a great wireless speaker system that SVS has put together. These little speakers are very versatile as you can connect via RCA, auxiliary cable, digital optical, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. Now they aren't super bass heavy due to the 4.5-inch mid-range driver, but it's pretty easy to find an inexpensive 8-inch subwoofer on Amazon or eBay. Now if you have any questions for me, leave them down in the comments below or hit me up on whichever social media platform you like to use the most. Once again, I'd like to thank SVS for sending these over for review. Thank you guys so much. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, go ahead, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel using the button in the middle of your screen. Once again, my name is Chana D. I am your Techno Dad, and I'll see you next time.